Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to split a screen on iPad. Guys, before starting, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to tap on any app that you want to split. Open any app. This is a browser and I want to split this browser. How can I do that? You can see that here three dot. Just tap on it and you will see three options: full screen, split view, and a slide over. So if you want to split, just tap on split view, and now you have to choose the second app with you want to split the app. The first app, let's open any app. Here let's open setting. Setting won't don't support this split. I have to go back to browser and let me choose it, the split view again, and let me choose any app here, app store. And as you can see that the app, the browser is splitted, and on the left side, and the app store is on the right side. That's how you can split in iPad. Hope you like it. If you have a doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.